My name's Steve, I'm the founder of Azego. Azego is a company that is a distributor of electronic components. We're an independent distributor or a broker of components. We sell into many different industries. So automotive being the primary startup where we started. Now we're into medical, security systems and audio-visual equipment. We're selling a range of products, displays, ICs, semiconductors, anything that goes on or around a PCB. We started in 2007. The core principles of our company are we are a people-focused company. We like to deal with clients that like to deal with us. So we build partnerships with these guys, long-term partnerships. So we've been dealing with companies for 18 years now, and the same customers come back for repeat business all the time because they enjoy coming to us.
The main company value really is customers. Our business thrives off customers. We're in the industry of, meeting the customers' demands and their needs. This is reflected throughout the whole company itself, straight from when you ring Azego, you'll get a dedicated sales member picking up the phone, engaging in a conversation with you and actually finding out what you need. And this kind of process follows through all the way from every single support staff to our finance team and to our warehouse, straight until the fact that it's actually delivered at your warehouse.
At Azego, we feel it's extremely important to test all of the components that we handle. This is to ensure that there are no counterfeit or refurbished products entering the market through us. Our customers need to know that we are adhering to international standards, both AS 6171 and ERAI standards, and that we follow strict methodologies in the way in which we do the testing.
Azego is one of the first independent distributors to achieve the AS 9120 accreditation. Since that time, we've concentrated really hardly on the quality. As much as we are a people-focused company and we like to enjoy ourselves, quality is taken very, very seriously. When I started Azego, staff well-being was one of my major priorities. We want people to be happy to come to work, happy to be at work, and happy in the environment they're in. We moved to a new facility in 2018. One of the things that we focused on was try to create an environment where people could flourish. We provided a gym downstairs, a golf simulator for the golfers in the company, and a nice sort of environment with a pool table and TVs and stuff like that people could actually sort of come to work and feel comfortable being here.
I think having these kind of spaces is really beneficial to the staff because ultimately if staff are happy, then we're delivering the best results to our customers.
It's no secret that most businesses want to continue to grow, but we want to make sure we keep those same values that have made us successful so far.